Umengameli uRamaphosa usalinde umbiko ogcwele ngemibiko yokukhonjwa indlela kwenxusa lakuleli eMelika uIbrahim Rasool. Kodwa izingxoxo zokwakha ubudlelwano balamazwe ziyaqhubeka.
We have noted the displeasure that has been expressed by the United States, particularly about the remarks he made, and we have noted that, and we will engage with them as we are already engaging with them.
Umengameli akathandanga ukuphawula ngendlela inxusa elixoshwe ngayo eMelika, kanti uyazichitha izinsolo zokuthi iMelika ilizibile lakuleli ukubamba izingxoxo.
As it is now, a great deal of progress had been made by our ambassador in straightening out the path to ensure that there is meaningful engagement at the diplomatic level.
Ungoti wezindaba zobudlelwane bamazwe omhlaba uthi iNingizimu Afrika kuzomela ikwazi ukubhekana neMelika njengoba isingenelele ngenqubomgomo yamazwe omhlaba.
The action is excessive to expel instead of engaging, but evidently the Trump administration does not want to engage with the democratically elected government. They are stalling.
Phezu kwalokho, elakuleli kulindeleke ukuba lisingathe umengameli wase-Ukraine mhla ziyi-10 kuNdasa.